Hi everybody, welcome to Decode Australia. Today is Wednesday, January the 20th, 2021. My name is Tamer.
My name is Yvonne.
And we're going to be starting with the pound-yen analysis.
The Great Britain pound rose against the Japanese yen on Wednesday, increasing the price of the pound-yen pair to more than 141 ahead of the release of UK's Consumer Price Index news. The technical bias remains bullish because the pair printed a higher high in the recent upside move.
Now currently this pair, the pound-yen, is trading around the 141.62 level. Looking at the chart, we're going to come across the following resistance levels. At resistance 1, we have the 142.23, which is the upper trend line arm. Second resistance is at 142.70, a key horizontal resistance. And finally, third resistance is at 143, even a psychological level.
On the downside, the price might find some critical support levels. Looking at the chart, the first support will be 140.35, which is the low of January 18, 2021. The second support will be 138.99, which is the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement. The last support will be 138 even, which is the psychological number.
So the UK Consumer Price Index news is something we need to watch out for. The UK's National Statistics is about to release these numbers for Consumer Price Index later on today. And according to economists' view, the UK Consumer Price Index reached a reading of 0.5% in December as compared to a reading of 0.3% in the previous month.
The UK Consumer Price Index reflects an estimate of movement in the prices of retail products. The figure is derived after taking account of prices of different goods and services selected from the representative shopping basket of various sizes of stores on a sampling basis. It is worth mentioning here that purchasing power of consumers is dragged down by increasing inflation rates. Therefore, the Consumer Price Index is considered an important economic indicator. Generally speaking, higher reading is positive for the pound, hence suggests a bullish market for the pound-yen pair ahead and vice versa.
Well said. In conclusion, given the macroeconomic outlook of this pair, the pound-yen, over the last couple of days, buying near the current levels might yield some profits in the short term. Now let's move on to the US CAD analysis.
The US dollar slid down against the Canadian dollar on Wednesday, decreasing the price of the US CAD to less than 1.2800 ahead of the release of Canadian retail sales news.
Now currently this pair, the US CAD, otherwise known as the loonie, is trading around the 1.2724 with the following support levels. Again, we're looking at the charts. We can see the first support is at 1.2623, which is a major horizontal support. Second support is at 1.26 even, a psychological number. Finally, the third support is at 1.2583, the lower trend line number.
On the upside, the price of the US CAD might face some critical resistance levels. The first resistance will be 1.3007, which is the key horizontal resistance. The second resistance will be 1.3123, which is high of November 19th back to 2020. The third resistance will be 1.3251, which is the 38.2% Fibonacci level resistance.
Okay, so the Canadian retail sales news. Statistics Canada anticipates releasing figures for the Canadian retail sales this Friday on the 22nd. As per average estimates of economists, the Canadian retail sales reached a reading of 0.1% in November as compared to a reading of 0.4% in the previous month.
The stats for the Canadian retail sales data reflects the total receipts of the retail sector in Canada. The data is compiled after taking account of sales figures from different stores countrywide through sampling basis. The retail sales data also reflects the level of consumers' confidence in the country's economy. Generally speaking, increasing numbers are seen as positive for the Canadian dollar, hence they suggest a bearish market for the US CAD pair ahead and vice versa.
Sure does. In conclusion, considering the price movement of this pair, the US CAD over the past few days, selling around the current levels might yield some short-term profits. As always, when trading, trade with your head, not your heart, or only trade with what you can afford to lose, and always apply strict money and risk management techniques.
That's right. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our Facebook page and our Instagram at Forex Decoded. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button and comment down below.
Have a great trading day. See you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.